Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to swap your toncoin in TonKeeper. So for you to do that, you have to open your TonKeeper app on your iPhone. Once you do that, then you tap at this option called swap. Once you tap at it, give a few minutes to load. Then another page is going to pop up. Then from this page you can swap your toncoin to another digital asset. So now you can see this is the sending asset, then this is the receiving asset. So from here you have toncoin, then you are going to tap right here at the second option, which is receive. You're going to tap at it and select other form of crypto asset that you want to swap your toncoin with. So for here, just tap at this USDT. Then once you select your receiving asset, then you tap at the amount, then you proceed with the following procedures. The reason why this particular option refuses to open right here is because I don't have any available balance for toncoin in TonKeeper. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.